Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's videos. Revelation, guys. We thank God for the gift of life to see amazing day like this. It's by God's grace. So, guys, right now I just wake up inside my house. That's how my house looks like, and it's very, very simple and unique, guys. Nothing to be hide. You can see we have couches, we have mat, we have table. Looking this side here. Wow, there's a small TV. These flowers here, guys. Different colors. We have also another one here. It tells you, it looks like a mat, you see. Wow, guys, I'm so grateful what I have. And right now, guys, it's quite a little bit morning, so I'm taking outside. I want to go and say hi to my mom and also my brother. So actually they're working over there on the next neighbor. So let's go, guys, and then I will update you what is going on. Let's catch up. That's how my home looks like, guys. Nothing to be changed here, but some transformation here and there. Oh man. Okay. Guys, it's all morning here, and I'm heading this way. I'm going to say hello to my African mom and also to my brother. So before I left home, so yesterday I told you anytime this week my number plates have been arrived. Anytime. This is the station that we have here, Village Life. So let me take you there. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. So today I'm trying to make it to go and pick my number plate. To ride a new bike which are numberless, they're very, very illegal. Mostly police, they wanna suspect you. The incident of the motorbike being robbed around the village here. Most of the police officer, they wanna suspect you, but as long as if you have the bike and then it has a number plates, you are safe. So yesterday I told you, so today I'm going to pick my number plates at Border Town, guys. And right now that's the way I behave. My mama should have already come from the farm. Let me say hello to her. Hey, my mama, she was working so hard. But one day this work should be stopped. Should be stoppable. Ukabe Harad. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good? Hey.
I am good.
This is Jeremy help for you. So guys, that's my African mom. Yesterday it was a happy Mother's Day. I wish my mama and also all moms all over the world, at the same time young sisters, I wish you happy Mother's Day. Yesterday mama, leo naenda kufuata number plate ya pikipiki. So guys, I'm telling my mama today I'm going to pick my number plates in Border Town. Guys, I just pull up from the shamba. This is Jembe, guys. Well, guys, that's how the days looks like. It's not a regular day that I'm supposed to shoot the videos. It shows you anytime it's gonna start raining here and there.
Yeah.
Teachers. Oh, you want to take the cows on the other side? Okay, guys, Mama was speaking with that guy to release the cow grazing on the soil potatoes, because maybe tomorrow they wanna start taking out the fruits, which are sweet potatoes. And that's the tuber grove that we have here. Hey. Okay, ma'am. You need any? Tuende kunywa chai ama vipi? Nilifungulia ng'ombe. Oh, I think I should help you to take the cow inside there. Wow. Guys, when I'm around here, I help my mama, guys. Serious. You know, we left everything here. So, tu karame ko monta ver, we. Okay. Let me open that cow right here, and then now we have the next around at our compound, another cow right there. So for now, let's take this one. Say hello. You good? All right. We take our cow to the grazing point. You know. You wanna do to stop the cow? No. Okay, guys. Okay. Oh my God. Let me take this. Yeah. So I want to throw them here to graze like crazy. Here and there. Let's go. Martin. Yes, guys. Yeah. Say hello. Yeah, that's my brother. All the way from. Go there. Good. Yes. Left them to graze there. Mkata separate each. Ma. You kingiri hai. Okay, kingiri hai. Yeah. I'm telling my brother there's another cow on the other side, so to pass on the other side. Yeah. Hey. Hey, mama. Strongest woman. Boom. Yeah.
Kanambe tata moke. Ikinyambi kana stiri atamanya gutuke mengo nkira kundikirie mengo. Abatari chikero maro miiga no gutuko gionekana.
Car grazing here. Wow. Mom. I'm telling my mama, let me bring another cow on this side here. You know, and then I push them inside and then grazing. Try to imagine. Oh. Okay. My brother passed here. Yeah. I need this one. Yeah. They are feeling so hungry. You know. Yeah, was one. Okay. Doda. Yo wanya hama poko.
Mira narora kabisa ndola ngata pole. Hata moto sina nyande.
Numero yare.
So
guys, he was
sick. 1 week is this.
1 week.
Okay.
Oh, pole.
Asante sana. Uno mai nta.
Guys, he was my grandfather.
I know problem just that one.
Okay. Mama, acha mimi nenda kufuata number plate.
Oile nturumuro.
Eh.
Oh.
Ele turhena. Yeah, iko bora tona.
Ai.
Yeah. Ai. Okay guys, I'm heading to Border Town after a few minutes. At the same time guys, I have $1 in my pocket. I'm going to feed the bike and then you will see guys, you know. I'm helping my mom. Quiero mucho. Village life. Yeah, guys. So I feel so good, guys, to have the number plate, you know. Even I have already taken my baby outside, and then I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you. Okay, amechukua jembe. Ako kweli acho. Mpenda mgongo. Okay. Let me show you my bike. There you see the way it is. And then after a few minutes you wanna see my bike with number, you know. So you see right now it's numberless. And that being said, yesterday I was paying I was remaining with $800. So I make the payment of I think $450. So it's remaining $350 so to complete, and then the manager give me logbook. So for now I paid half of 800,000. No, $800, guys, sorry, $800. I paid half of the money. So he decided to give me a number plate, you know. So that being said, like to ride going to border town, coming back, sometimes it's illegal because you want to be suspect, you know, when the bike doesn't have a number plate. And some incidents going here and there, you know, robbing of the motorbike here and there in border town, even at Nyabohansi. So it's good when it has a number plate, and then people knows that's Hello Baby's motorbike, you know. I don't want my bike to be look like, oh, and then people suspect me. No, I don't mind, you know. So far so good. Guys, me, I wanna say thank you a million, because you made it my dream come to reality, you know. Yeah, I'm showing you step by step. So right now I'm just rushing out to go and pick, you know, to go and pick my bike. So I'm going to wear my jacket and then up to border town. So I'm taking my key here, guys. Then it go like this. So and then I want to accelerate, you know, the oil to be run on this engine here before I left home, you know. I need my engine to be run. Woo. Around 3 minutes, 5 minutes, you know. Oh guys, me, I feel good. I feel good to have my new bike. You know? Okay guys, I think right now it's just okay. So let me wear my jackets and then drive up to Border Town. That's where I normally pick my luggage here and there. And there's a day I went far away from my village up to Kehancha. I pick my helmet, you know. So the owner could maybe send maybe Migori if you're lucky, maybe in Border Town. Like a day like this, guys, I'm lucky. So my number plate have been sent in Border Town. So there's no need to drive like far distance, you know. Okay, let me give my bird to say hello. No. Okay. The cow, they are grazing here. You see, hey, today villagers are enjoying. But say hello. Say hello. Yeah. I know they keep quiet or they're not here. No. So maybe they went to look for something. Oh, I had one right here. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to this amazing channel, please guys, on today's videos, subscribe. I know I have silent subscriber who watch my videos and then didn't subscribe, and then I have, for those people who subscribe didn't touch my videos. Please try your best to watch my videos and subscribe, and don't skip any ads. You know, that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official, by watching my videos, subscribing, watching my videos, comment, don't skip ads. Those 4 things are very important to me and also to my channel. It's make my channel to grow, you know. And also you can share my videos, guys, to your family. Let's support Hello Baby Official. So guys, I have one of the lady that I'm trying to mentor her by the name Felicitas. You know, we start with 0 subscriber up to nowadays almost to 1,000 subscriber. And guys, I introduced her on this platform. You subscribe to her channel, please keep showing her some love. You know, right now she was around when I see in the morning, she was around 943 there. So the remaining subscriber around 67. Please, let's connect. And then I will pin her link on the comment section, and then you can subscribe, guys. You can subscribe, you know. I want to see her put smile the way Hello Baby putting smile every day, you know. Dod, come here. So yeah. I was speaking with my grandfather. So guys, me, I'm going to take my jacket, but first thing, hens are fighting with the cow. It's crazy. So guys, so far so good. Subscribe to our channel, guys. You know, today I will help her, tomorrow they will help another people, you know, as we improve, you know, the way of standard living. You know, life is not easy. Even outside here, you need to work so hard. Although you have everything on the land, but you can't harvest maize and then without taking them to the portion mill. You know, you need to have some little bit coin on your pocket, and then to run your basic need here and there, right, left, center. Okay, guys. Okay. Me, I'm heading to my house to a jacket. But the ball need to translate. Tana yendu sasi kuni dod. Yes, this is my avocados, guys. I planted these trees when I was in primary school, guys. Yes, these 2 trees, I planted them when I was in primary school. And then I think I plant like I'm joking, but right now it's bringing fruits, and then we enjoy. And then all of these trees that you see here, I planted when I was in my primary school, guys. But right now it's benefit my family, you know. It's bring shelter, like it's bring like fresh air. but it's not good. It's not good around the toilet, maybe their homes. You know, I need to cut them down. You know, but not now, guys. So, guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from here, and I shall meet on the road, guys. Stay blessed. Alright, guys, I'm heading this way, and right now I'm just outside. I wear the jacket, so I'm going to pick my number plate, guys. You know, let me show you one more at a time. Okay, just a minute, guys. You see right now, it's numberless. When I come from Border Town, you will see, guys, and technically I will fix those number plates in Border Town. I want to temere number plate. Hey, hey, I'm telling my brother, I'm going to fix. Guys, number plate it looks like this one here, guys. You see, like for my brother, it's here. No, like my. Yeah, guys. For now, I'm showing you how the number plate looks like. Maybe for somebody who are new and join my videos today, you know. So let's go this way. Let me tighten my camera. Yeah, that one's okay. Oh my god. So I want to be free, guys, you know, riding like no suspect here and there, you know. So people corrupt, you know. I need to have my own number plate, and then everybody know that's Hello Baby's bike, you know, like nothing to be black. And me, I'll show you my number plate, guys, you know, like nothing like privacy here and there, you know. Even when one day I'll have been blessed and then I have my car, I'll show you my number plate, guys, you know, nothing to be private, you know. As long as when maybe you came in Africa, especially in my village, when you see I park my bike somewhere, you see that's Hello Baby's bike, you know. Let's go. Wow. Guys, I'm fully outside with a lot of happiness, you know. I was waiting this day and then the day is coming. No, I'm not faking things, you know. Like, whoa, you will see. You will see, guys, you know. And this bike I bought in Kisii, guys. One of these days, hey, mama face. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so I'm telling you, one of these days I'll give you quick special tour, you know. I'll go there in Kisii like 2 to 3 days, and then I'll show you how Kisii looks like on camera, you know. Free documentary, kids are coming from school, you know. Alright, that's a shop right there, guys. Wow. Heading to Border Town, you know. Guys, support Hello Baby Official as you can, guys. For all means, guys, as you can. Support Hello Baby Official, you know. Watching the videos, subscribing, comment, share, you know. And me, I want to say thank you so much for those people who are supporting me in financially way. My God bless you. And also, way. They are needed. Wow. Hey. Sister to brother Dagi. Umefika? Ama Dagi anakupeleka shule. This is Regina. Nikusindikize?
Kama kawaida.
Ama umefika?
Nimefika wapi?
Say hello.
Hi guys. I'm Regina, the younger sister to brother Dagi.
So you're going to school?
Head came for fee.
Yes.
Mommy went in the morning and asked for me the permission so that I can stay in school.
Yes.
Yes.
Guys, if you want to become a good student, you must have a watch.
This is a watch.
Tire, you know.
I have a necktie also.
Yes, necktie.
Yes. This is the necktie.
St. Angela.
Yep.
Okay, let's go. I don't want to waste time.
Oh, where are you heading?
I'm going to pick my small luggage. Usinumuritori sinamai. Marito. Okay guys, let's go. This is my bike help many people here, including my family, friends. Oh, that's like Rory right there. I'm escorting Legina to school, guys, and then I'm heading to border town. Yes. Okay. Kuna kutipa kuna kuja. That's road, guys. Woo. Hey, hey. Wow. Oh, this damn site, guys. It's smelling. Woo. Oh, hey, hey, nasikia vile kitu inanuka na watu wanaishi karibu hapo. Guys, no. Okay. Amuni utakufanya mambo yako hapa Sibani. Utakufanya mambo yako Sibani, amuni unaenda direct. Okay. Boga. Fresh. Okay. Morio. Oh yeah. That's my Roman Catholic Church on this side here. Also, guys, this is Bania Boys. Wow, guys, I think yesterday I was passing here, you know. Yeah, it's showing people. I think so, guys. If you're watching my videos yesterday keenly, I was passing here. Oh.
Hello, baby.
Okay, may I wish you more success. You go.
Thank you.
Yes, guys. Yesterday I was passing, showing you here, going to other side. Okay, Regina.
Okay,
You go and study harder.
bye.
Yes, bring good results. Yes. Okay, guys. I'm escorting her. So right now, let's go and pick my stuff. You know. Stairs here. Something recommendable. Okay guys, this is the tarmac road which connects the border of Kenya and Tanzania. Hey. So guys, first thing that I'm going to do is to fuel my bike. So that being said, I have $1 in my pockets, and then you know, me as I keep pushing this day, look even at the side. That view, man, it's very, very nice. Very nice. It's all right. So, wow, guys, I'm so grateful, man. I'm so grateful. What? Business side here. What? Even look this Scania. All the way from border town, Tanzania, you know. Okay. I'm gonna take a U-turn and then, you know, this is a V-Porsche. Alright, bro, I get you. I'm seeing. Dottor andando caigo una fine sì. 150. Una vacanza che Kita uko poa?
Namba ya huyu jamaa hii gari KDM 712 ndio na namba yake. KDM.
Let's go, guys. So this border town, you know, I finished fuel my bike. Yeah, guys. Border town for you, you know. Wow. Guys, let's go and pick that stuff with you together. Whoa. Alright, guys. Guys, I'll come to fix my number plate other side. Whoa. Okay. Look at this stuff here. Straight to my other side. Whoa. Let's go and pick. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. You know? Wow. Okay. Oh my God. You know, that's how things it is in border town here. Okay. Wow. Okay. Whoa. So guys, I'm heading this way. I'm going to pick my stuff. So my stuff are being sent at Sibania TTC, you know, there. Guys, opposite side we have the KCB Bank right there. And when the money went through Western Union, MoneyGram, Ria, I normally pick on that bank right there. So I left my bike here. I'm going to pick my stuff, guys. Morio. Said, unaitwa Ali ama nani? Dura. Okay. So the guy who sold for me a motorbike at Kisi, he told me my stuff arrived. You copy number plate?
It has arrived
At which time?
very early in the morning.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes. Let's see. I'm telling you about my bike in Kisi. See guys. From Kisi to Sirari, that's my name and my contact number. Because when I bought my bike, I left my everything there. So I want to make the payment and then they will give me my logbook.
Yeah,
Yes.
it is.
Brand new, guys. KMGQ 735G. You see? In Kisi. Okay, bro, thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, you can put me inside here. How was everything?
Fine, bro.
Guys, right now I'm free. I have my number plates. No one who to suspect. Kuna pikipiki za ukora.
Yeah, it is.
Hey, you're a rich kid. Rich guy. Guys, thank you so much for the love and support. Right now, this is my stuff here. Bro, thank you for your hospitality and to be honest, you know,
Yeah.
no one like you.
It was nice doing business with
Yes,
you.
yes.
Yeah, welcome.
Okay guys, when I finish to build my mama house, I'll buy this TV and then fix to my mom's house. Okay guys, right now I'm going to fix my number plate just over here, you know. Okay. Okay, let's go. This is border town for you. Hey! Like nothing to be black, guys, you know, heading to fix it right now, at this moment. Whoa! Hey, go. Hey. Alright. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, thank you so much for making my dream come to reality. Thank you a million times, you know. Wow. And I'll fix it around here. So there's no need to go up to their hands, you know. Wow, wow, wow. That's Bania police station right here. Okay guys, me right now, I'm gonna fix it right now here. I think so here. Mano! Hey! No! Guys, I want to fix my number plates today. Yeah. Mara sigo nikodoro ni fixe number plate. Kene karta se mtai industrial na mongora iko ta chutandro. Maganda ba horo muzigo.
Zo.
Guys, this is my number plate. The guy need to fix. Okay. Wow. It shows, you see, that's my full name, that's my contact number, you know. Okay. Okay. This one, I put it here. Whew. No more numberless, guys. John, Oh. I need a guy to fix my number plate. When you're in where you go. What am I going to give a heruko, guys? Yeah. Okay. Atora mo naman na itwenda shukiwa. Pero polisi ko wato ko teka niyo babe. Then the number plate. That's the number. Aramba ko kazi ni Bulais. Isibana.
Kono nile ngayo.
Ni bigi hindi mo. Kama. Wata hambi kama.
Bigi.
Sawa.
Unajua msibu anakia sini yako.
Lakini ka kile kama wabongo.
Yafungue PS hapo na nani.
So guys, that's how I fix my number. Man, number ko turhani subana.
Eta wisure muna ma, te ansikyo ma.
Kenya mecha ukenya ngite gori ani no gacha kugenda.
Solo ma. Tu angi se quiere ena propero.
Ha. Mayara bakke ho era kaso. Yavon. Thank you, bro. Okay, guys, when I was going to Border Town, Brother was trimming these flowers, and then I said, when I come back, I'll say hello to you. So let's go and check him. Then to see how the day goes, guys. You know, after fixing my number plate, guys. Like me, nothing to be private. KMGQ 735. That's my number plate, guys. You know, may I normally show you how things is here. Okay.
Mr. Hello, baby.
Yes.
How are you, brother?
I'm good.
Yes, we are outside actually. I was just making.
The dog is asleep. Okay. Kiaven. Oh, yeah, what the? Yeah, when I was passing here.
Hello. Hello, our good people. My good name is Brother Dagi. We are coming live from Nyabohanse village. Actually, guys, we are at home. I was just making the cleanest. Hello, baby.
Yes, right
you have
here.
just seen from the road there.
Yeah, me, I was passing. Do you remember? And then I said I will come to say hello.
Yes.
Guys, this is very delicate. You see this one? Huh.
Oh my goodness.
Let's put it like that way.
Yeah.
So how was everything?
Brother, me actually, I thank God. We are at home.
Yeah.
You know, since yesterday we have been getting a lot of rain. You know, yesterday I didn't go at the Nyabohanse market.
Why?
I just, like, you know, when you are staying at home, it's good.
Yes.
Yesterday, since of the whole day, I was at home. And then maybe today I'm going outside to check one of my friend. He's calling me like, Brother Dagi, I have a little bit good story I need to make with you. So it's good when I go there and then
Who? Just
she's a lady. She's called Matinde.
Oh.
She's at border.
Okay.
So maybe today I'm going to visit her.
Yes.
If you want to see the conversation and how everything going to be done it,
Watch your video.
go at Brother Dagi YouTube channel.
Yes.
I have a YouTube. I'm a content creator also. Go check me out. Just write Brother Dagi. Show me kind of love. Subscribe, share to your friends, and always positive vibes, guys.
Yeah.
Because right now in the village, there is a lot of things happening here and there. Like, man,
Guys,
it's like,
sometimes I feel like crazy, but this is how Brother Dagi live. This home's to
yeah,
Brother Dagi. Yes, it's good right now to have home.
It's good to have home. Actually,
Yes.
I came to realize home is the best.
Home is the best.
Because Like me, I personally have been outside. So
in
I came,
Qatar.
Yes.
And
I
then
came-
finally back to your
back
home.
at home. You know, so it's good when you're having a home. Doesn't mean how it looks like. Doesn't mean your home how it is. Take it easy. Just live in a normal way, in a simple way.
Yeah.
Like me, brother Dagi, I don't have like a perimeter wall. Like I'm having just a normal fence, and my home is just here.
Yes, that's how it looks
You know,
like.
we are living in a normal way in the village. Actually, guys, if you want to make your dream come to the reality, just start from a little bit that you are having right now. And some days coming, you're going to be able to find yourself. You are in another level, you know. But like me, my dream is to construct here a very...
Yeah. A house.
A humble house.
Just
yeah,
put
like-
on other side,
Yes.
and then you cut that fence. Your
Yes.
toilet will be this side.
Yeah.
That's house. Maybe if you have the visitor like Hello Baby official, if you have the party, I can come
I
and
can
sleep
come
there.
and sleep there and
Yeah.
everything. That's how actually the way we are thinking, we want to make a simple life, because I need to construct here in a normal house, a simple house, you know, so that my visitors, my friends, if they come, they can be able even to stay inside, you know. So a dream gonna be able to be
The way I
value.
told you,
Yeah.
since we came from Qatar,
Yes.
and I know day one when we arrived in the village
Yeah,
from
it's
Nairobi,
true, it's true.
I told you if you get money, just buy some materials,
Yeah, start
keep
a little
pushing
bit.
your toilet, and then
And today,
you just come to my home.
yes,
See what I'm trying to do,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah, it's true.
I'm going to build my mama house. What I'm doing, you know.
Yeah.
I'm buying materials here and there.
Slowly
if you
by
get money,
slowly, yeah.
buy material.
Yeah, it's true.
You know, collect material. When it's enough to build, it's one touch.
Yeah.
Boom.
let us try, guys, because there is a lot and a lot and a lot that it's going on right now. But for us, we are just pushing it.
Yeah, me, I'm advise you,
Yeah.
if you have a good friend, he's a good friend who give advice. Brother Dagi, just invest on this,
Yeah, it's
just
true.
do this, you know.
true, it's
Not a friend who told you, oh, let's go and pump champagne. No, that's
No, it's true.
It's not a kind of a good
Yeah,
friend,
that's
you know.
the reality.
Imagine if I'm a bad friend and then I told you, oh, Brother Dagi, if you have money, let's go and celebrate a
Imagine.
big party.
Imagine
But I
that.
know the background where you came from, we need to make our home to look so beautiful,
Yeah,
you know.
it's true. It's
So how to build, how to do this.
Yeah, how to
Even
do
you learn
that.
from each other.
Yeah, that is the reality.
Yes.
So, guys, you are just trying. No one is perfect in this
Yes.
life. But we believe in God that maybe one day it will be a story for another day. Like,
Yes.
these people, they are coming from far.
Yeah.
Trust me,
Even-
it will be one day
Yes.
with very, very, very big energy.
Let me tell you
Trust
one
me, the
thing.
day it's coming.
Yes, let me tell
and
you
we
one
are here, and we're going to be able to manage it.
Yes, we
Yeah,
are
I
sitting
believe.
on this beautiful shade here, avocados, and then create this story. There is one of my fans,
Yeah.
go and click my short videos
Yes.
that went viral.
Yes.
I was toothless and maybe somehow
Yeah, I remember
in
that
a hard
video.
life.
Yeah.
So they comment on that short
Video.
clip.
Yes.
They laugh and then say, "Hello, baby, thank God."
You
Now,
came from
you
far.
came from far. Everything have been changed.
Yeah, it's
you have been
true.
changing emotional and
Yeah.
physical. I said, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That is
Because
true.
if I see myself
Yeah.
nowadays,
Nowadays, guys.
don't tell a baby that you think.
It is what it is, guys. I
Yes.
don't know what do you think about this video.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, comment down there, guys,
Yeah.
and show us some kind of love. And also, we love you, our good people. That is it, man.
And me, brother, what I can tell you,
Yeah.
just have friends. Just be friends with everybody.
Yeah,
Even
it's
maybe
true,
to your
it's
neighbor.
true,
Be
it's true.
friends. Be friends.
You know me,
If
like,
today, for example, you get some any trouble here,
Yeah.
friends can run and
and
help
then
you.
come to help you.
Yes.
You know, you don't know which day problem comes.
Yeah, you don't
at
know.
on your side. But trust me, if you're having some good people surrounding you, if maybe you got a problem, they can be able to help you. So like me, Brother Dagi, I'm socialized with everyone.
Yes,
I'm
everyone.
socialized
You must
with
be socialized.
everyone, man.
And in this world,
And
no
me,
one
I
is
don't
perfect.
have those boundaries because I know where I'm coming from.
Yeah.
I was someone who doesn't have nothing because my
Yeah.
family, I know my background, even the video.
The same my background.
Yeah.
Nothing to be changed.
Nothing, man. So, like, I feel who I am, ignoring
If you
people.
think you are perfect,
You know-
you ignore your neighbors
Yeah.
and friends.
No, it's
one day
not
when
good.
one day when the trouble caught you, you never know who helped you.
Yeah, that is the
So
reality.
brother, I was coming from Border
Yeah,
Town
man.
to fix my number plate,
Yes.
and then it just arrived.
You
I
know,
was very happy. You know,
that is good.
the reason why being I was insist to get that number plate
Yeah.
is because like to avoid the police case.
Yeah, it's true.
You know?
Yeah, it's true.
When police
true.
they caught you, oh, where's number plate,
Well,
where's this
brother,
and this.
The moment you go like outside the neighboring country like Tanzania, the police of there, they also every time that too much
You cannot
problem.
knock it out. Yeah.
Too much problem
Yes.
because the police of Tanzania, they always like, where's your number plate and everything, man.
Yes.
But trust me, I'm telling you the reality. Right now, you're going to
Yeah.
move everywhere.
Yeah, let me tell you.
Yes.
The police don't like unthinkable.
Yeah, that's the
They
reality.
like suspect you. Oh,
Yeah.
this maybe it's a robbered motorbike.
Where are
here
you
and there.
coming? Where you
Where
don't
you
have
coming
the number
from?
plate?
They try to harass you in
Yeah,
border.
it's true.
So right now,
True.
like guys, to be honest,
Yeah.
on today's title, no police case. You know, because I'm free to my bike, bro.
It is
You
what
will
it
see.
is. It is
I'll
what
show
it
you.
is, guys.
You saw the
But
motorbike.
me on my side,
Yes.
keep watching the video because
Guys, like going to Tanzania, no police case.
Yeah.
Like the police never like untrust me, you know, like suspect me. Right now I'm free, gentleman.
okay, guys, just stay tuned.
Yes, on today's
Just stay
videos,
tuned.
guys, it's just like you know,
Yeah,
crazy,
yeah,
crazy
yeah.
title,
Yeah.
no police case. Because let me tell you one thing.
Yeah, it's true.
I find so many people
Yeah.
around at Nyabuhanse,
Yes.
even Border Town,
Yeah.
advise me, please,
Put
if
the
this
number
motorbike is yours,
Yeah.
try to put a number plate. I
it's
said,
true.
let me finish like
Yeah.
the making of the payment. You know, I was remaining with $800.
Yeah.
And then I paid 450.
Yes.
And then the manager said, oh guys, let me show Brother Dagi the number plate. Me, to be honest, when I'm going to Border Town, especially when I'm crossing to Tanzania, the police give me trouble, you know. So right now I'm trying to avoid police case at this moment. Hey, you know, Tiraso. Wow, guys. Even Brother Dagi could be the part of my witness.
Yeah, we are outside.
Yes.
No police case again.
Yeah.
Because if you don't have a number plate and then your electrical machine it's having numberless.
Yes.
Trust me, the police case, the police, they are giving you a lot of cases
Yes,
like
yeah, and
where is the number plate, where are you
Yes,
going?
the
But I'm
suspect-
happy on you, brother.
Yes,
right now
thank
you're
you.
having a number plate.
Yeah, it's just
Right now over here.
No, I was speaking.
Oh,
yes.
you have already put it.
Yes, I picked
Wow.
from Border Town
Hey,
because the guy
GQ.
sent. Yeah, JQ.
GQ.
guys.
That is good.
Yes.
Trust me, guys, when you're having the number plate, there is no police case because most of the time I see people getting in trouble because of the number plate. But
Yeah.
I'm happy on you.
Yeah.
Keep pushing, bro.
Yes.
Yeah.
So right now, guys, I'm just working for the logbook. So the remaining money when I finish payment, the manager give me, or the seller who sold this motorbike, give me the logbook. So Brother Agi, we shall meet next.
Yeah,
bro.
guys, me, I was just making the cleanest. You can see how the compound it's looking right now.
Yes.
It's clean, man. So let us be together like one family.
Yes.
That is it, man.
Guys, one love. Well, guys, let's go back home. Right now, guys, I'm free, you know. So even I'm going to show my mama. I got the stuff, got the number plate, I mean, and then even going to our neighboring country. They know this motorbike is from Kenya, Africa motherland, you know. Let's go, guys. And imagine electricity from, we have transformer here. Imagine electricity from here up to my home. It's around 6 posts. You know, 6 posts. So I'll get the electricity, but one day I'll do that. You just keep praying on me. Me, I'm praying, guys. This year, it will never end. I'll get a solar panel, guys. Just keep praying on me. You know, the year of 2025 is the year of success, and I just believe it. Everything could be moving perfect. You know, Wow, today the weather is so good, chilly day, you know. Oh my god. We go back home. I want to share with my African mom this story. Wow. So even I decided I'll never throw this in border town. Let me take it back home. You know. Okay. Okay guys, let's go. Wow. This is my village home where I came from. Super cool. And everything's super amazing guys, you can see. But my home is just over there. Right there. Let me see my mom's reaction guys. How I react when I get a new number plate. Let's see. Oh, my mama reaction. You know, this sweet potatoes. Hey, I see my mama right. Alright guys, I'm back home and I see my mama on this angle here. You know, let me show my mama. Mom, njoo uone nimeleta. I'm telling my mama, come we see. I brought the number plate guys. You know, my mama, she was a good advisor mom ever. Also, I have outside there my parents who advised me, hello baby, just be like this, like that. Also, my nice dad, just be like this, like that. At the same time, my brother and sister advised me. Yeah. Okay. Kuja mom. Okay guys, that's my mom. Let's go and see man. So right now, mama shows on kitenge, wearing kitenge. Oh, mama, right now, mimi niko free. Staki shida na maskari, you know. I'm telling mama right now I'm free. I don't want trouble with police case, you know. I don't want to find myself in trouble. Yeah, mom. See, these are brand new. Sasa mimi mkiano, yuko mkata sigara. Kata sigara, yuko peke moyo sasa. So mama right now. Hey. Yeah, mom. Kama naweza kupeleka Tanzania hakuna shida yoyote. Jina number plate. Okay, acha mimi nizunguke hivi. Haya. Asante. Guys, my mama, she was a witness at the same time. When you see the baby who was a smart boy, good boy, it's because of my African mom advised me, my son, be like that. Whoa. Damn, baby, I'm going to also, guys, we have blocks here for the construction of my mom's dream house. You know, we have stones here, man. This I'm calling home. Oh man. Okay guys, I'm back home. Hey, I'm back home. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. So I want to indicate the videos. So there's a video I went to visit one of my brother, but guys, sorry I didn't upload it, you know, just like I skip. Then I feel so bad when I forget that videos. I skip it, you know. So I went there to set their cameras, and then I give everybody shout outs, and then, you know, they wonder what I didn't see my part where I introduced myself. You know, I don't know, maybe any like if I give somebody a shout out and then they didn't see that part, they will start complaining, hello baby, just like this and this. Guys, me I say sorry for that. And I think that video is around 6 minutes. I'm going to join on these videos, so you actually watch that part and then you will see, guys, you know. So I found during that day I found 3 people, you know, husband and wife, also the guest, you know. So they are closely friends, you know, like one of our mom visits them where they're staying. So when they're calling me, hello baby, just come, reset for us, the camera give us trouble. So like I didn't know I can find that videos, but I'll try to see, because you know, if I find that is on my videos, I'll join. If there is not yet there, I'll skip it. But guys, stay tuned, more amazing videos coming. This is I'm calling home for my entire new subscriber. This is I'm calling home, you know. And things will be sorted, things will be okay, you know, like in terms of a building, things will be okay one day, you know. So I'm trying to collect material here and there. And guys, I will try this month to see whether I can bring sand and balanced. I will see those 2 things, I will see one of them, and then I'll take you out a little bit, like 3 to 4 days, and then I come back to my village. You know, and I was promising you before I start building my mama house, I need to travel a little bit, you know. So at least by your full support, you see what I'm trying to buy here and there. So guys, show me some love, subscribe to my channel, you know. So me, I'm not 100% sure whether I could get that video. If I get that videos, I will join. If I delete, but I'm sorry for that, guys, you know. Wow, sorry for that. So guys, keep it locked, more amazing videos coming from here. And guys, let's come together, support Hello Baby Official as you can, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe, leave the sweet comment there, you know. Oh man, I hold the key like I'm dreaming to have a car. Not those rich people who have the car normally hold the key like this, you know. Whew, it's so hot here, it's so hot, guys. You see how the view looks like? Super amazing. And I park my bike there. Whew, guys, I'm so happy. At this time, I'm so happy because I managed to get the number plate. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. And also we have avocados here, you know. That's how the view looks like. And these trees are growing taller than the rest of the trees, guys. You can see here and there. Look that side. Oh, you're growing taller. Alright, guys, so stay tuned, more amazing videos coming from here, guys.